Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are safe and healthy. If you are new to this channel and looking for important INBDE or NBDE Part 1 questions with answers, you are at the right location. So this new video series will expose you to hundreds and thousands of important questions and answers that can help you pass exam. So before I continue this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch every video. So let's start with Q&A video series. So in this video, I started highlighting some of the really important questions so please pay close attention to those. So this first slide will provide all the answers to my previous videos unsolved questions. So please compare your answers if you have already solved those. So pause it and review it. Moving to the second slide. And the third one. All right. So with this last slide, I'm again sharing 10 unsolved questions. So please pause the video and spend some time to find the answers. I will provide the answers to all of these in my next video. So now I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching this video. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all the important questions and answers for your exam. Bye for now.